Let me know where you're watching from. Let me know where you are watching from. It's yet another time. Awesome. Please let me know where you're watching from in the comment section. Alright? Let me know where you're watching from in the comment section. Yet another time. Alright, I can see Don. Okay. Let me know where you're watching from in the comment section. Thank you for joining us. Thank you so much for joining. This is a good time, to look at the market together. All right. So today we will be having a live session where we look into market analysis. I can see Scooter from Botswana. You're welcome. You're welcome. Okay. I can see Fimsri. You're welcome. All right. Awesome. Awesome. So today we'll be having this very important session where we'll be looking at analyzing the Euro USD market and taking position on this market. All right. So let's start with the monthly time frame. Okay, I can see a berry watching from Akwa Ibom. I can see Abinav. Okay, so yeah, let's have a good time analyzing the markets. All right, yeah. So here on Euro USD, on the monthly time frame, we are looking to get what is the next market direction. All right, what is the next market direction? What is the new saying? All right. Yeah. So over here, we want to look at market structure. What is the current market structure? On Euro USD. Uh, okay, so here we are able to map out the structure, all right, which is going to tell us the levels of support and resistance, all right. Um, so here we can see that this is a level of support turned resistance, okay, at this level. All right. So let's map out another level of support and resistance that we might see here. Here we can see a minor support and resistance zone. So here you can see that it is a resistance zone at this point here. It resisted price for a while. So as well, price has been rejected at this level before. Yeah, so another level of support is here. We have another level of support here. Yeah, we have another level of support here. All right, we have another level of support here. You know, um, okay, we have another level of support here. All right. So now we are on the monthly time frame where we get to see what price is doing, on a broader perspective. Okay. as well as, you know, levels where price respects, all right, and the levels where there is a higher probability of price touching and, you know, probably reversing from there, or, you know, continuing at that level. So here we are able to map out those structures, all right, and those zones where price would most likely respect. Here we can see price respects this level here, a support zone. All right, at this level here we have a resistance zone, okay, which price respects so well. So so price is currently at a level where it would most likely always reverse. Okay, observe these price movements here. Okay, let me get my right. So we saw how price moved up here, okay, then came down, went up, came down, went up again, all right, then came down, okay, and now, you know, heading up, all right. And we can also observe from here how price actually respected certain levels, all right. Let me get this. How price respected, you know, let me get the. Okay, let me take this off. Yeah, let me get this. Aha, we can see how price respected certain levels here. Okay, okay, yeah. How price respected certain levels here. Okay, how price respected certain levels here. All right. So we can see how these are playing out. You know, let's clone this. Okay, good. So let me zoom in so that we can see what I'm saying very clear. Okay, so from what I'm sharing with you also now, you can see that there are levels that price respected. All right, price respected this level, this support level. Okay, price got to this level, pushed back up. Price came here again, was pushed back up. Then when price got up here, it was pushed down. Then at this level here, you know, the level was the level of support. All right, and this level pushed price back up, all right, and then we can see price broke through the level, came down to touch this level and was pushed back up again, all right, and price currently came around to touch this level, this second support level. So let me call it, let's call this first support level, S1, all right, let's call this S1, okay. Let's call this X2. Let's call this X3. Alright. So this is like support level 1, support level 2, support resistance level R1. Okay, this is resistance. Okay, this is a support and resistance level. So this level, the one in the middle, can act as a resistance level and also act as a support level. So we can see at a point where price came here, it acted as a support level. When price came down, it acted as a support level as well. All right. So it's depending on what we can argue is that we have two times where the support level holds strong. So let's just say this is support level 2. All right. Now you can see that price came to this support level here and price was pushed up. Price came down, broke out of this support level, came to this first support level and was also pushed back up. All right. Now we can see price going to the resistance zone. All right, which is being mapped out here on the weekly time frame. Okay. Now one of the things that we might expect to see on this resistance zone, okay, is a bit a quick rejection from this level. All right, a quick rejection. A quick rejection from this level, as price might hit this resistance zone and push back a bit. All right, so that's what we are looking at. This resistance level would hold strong, okay, because price has not been to this resistance zone for some weeks now, okay, and this resistance zone can still hold strong to push back price a bit. All right, but if there happen to be a breakout of this level, okay, if there happen to be a breakout from this level, we might just see price coming to touch this level here. All right, if a breakout occurs at this resistance zone, we might see price coming to this next resistance zone. So let me say this next resistance zone is called R2. All right, R2. Okay, let me get this duplicated. Okay, there's another resistance zone here. Let's get this again. Okay, good. So this is a resistance zone here. All right, then another resistance zone. Let me clone this. Yeah, good. So we can see it clearly now. So here is to help us to see the levels of support and resistance, okay, that whenever price gets to, price would most likely react. All right, price would most likely react. Okay, so if there be a breakout here, price will come and touch this level, and a little pushed back, and we might see price come up to this level. So this is like our expectation in the long term. All right, if price breaks out of this level, okay. However, if price could not break out of this level, if there is a pushback, price might definitely come and touch this level or this level. All right, price definitely come and touch this level or this level. So looking at the analysis on ground now, on the 1 week time frame, all right, we can see that yeah, there is a bullish power coming in on the weekly time frame. All right. Now, with having our um, levels of our market structure mapped out already, let's go to the daily time frame. Okay. So here now we can see more clearly, okay, what price is doing. All right, we can see more clearly what price is doing. So here we see that this level becomes a well-respected level, which has been the level we mapped out as a key resistance zone. Okay, a key resistance zone on our daily time frame. We can see it's a key resistance zone. So we would definitely expect price, you know, coming to touch this level. All right, there might be a little pushback in price. Okay, then market might consolidate. So we have here markets can go up here, consolidate a bit. If there is a long consolidation on this resistance zone, we might just see a breakout out of this level. If the consolidation continues on this level, however, if price comes up here and faces a rejection, okay, then we can see price push back down further, all right, up to this level or even up to this level. All right, now the question what we want to look at is what would price do, what would price most likely do, what's the higher probability of price next movement. Okay, that's what we want to look at. All right, so at this key resistance zone I'm expecting price to push back. All right, at this key resistance zone. So what do I want to do at this key resistance zone? All right, for intraday trader I would go to the 4 hours time frame. Okay, now on the 4 hours time frame I can see clearly, okay, more of what price is doing. Now observe the pattern at which candlesticks move. Okay, if you look closely at this level here, you will see that price consolidated at this support zone, all right, before pushing up further. Okay, but you will notice one thing: why price is consolidating and creating um you know a consolidating pattern, a consistent pattern touching the resistance zone. All right, the close of the market, okay, is closing higher than the previous close. So you see this level is closed. All right, this level is low, this level is higher than this level. All right, then this level is higher than this level. Okay, these are signs that there would most likely be a push up in price. Okay, because you can see that though price is consolidating, all right, consistently at a particular zone, there is still a higher high being formed. All right, so we can see a high here, we can see another high here that is higher than the previous high, and this high is higher than the previous high here. All right, and that's price pushing up, and you can see this high is higher than this high. Okay, so over here you can see how um let me see. Okay, okay, let me get this here. Okay, good. So you can see what I'm saying here. The I is higher than this eye is higher than this eye. This eye is higher than this eye. This high is higher than this high. So you see how price is moving in that trend of a higher high. Then you know that price is pushing higher. So now you see how price broke out of this level, went up, then came back to test this previously resistance turned support level, because this level was previously a resistance zone. All right, now it has turned to a support level. See, price came, consolidated a bit at this level, then we saw a breakout upward. All right, then a continuous increase in market movement, then a retracement to this zone. Now you see that, you know, market moves in interesting structures which can be tracked. So you can see this structure here now. All right, so there was a structure here. Market consolidated at this level, moved up, came down to touch this level, went up again, came down to this level, consolidated a bit, came down to this previous resistance, now turned support level, pushed up above this level, now came back to respect this structure below. All right, came back to test this support level now, and then pushed back up. Okay, now if you look at it, this is a 4 hours candle. Look at the last 4 hour candle formed. Okay, is a fully bodied bullish candle that opened below here and closed above over 1 2 3 4 5 6, over 10 candles. All right, 10 candles. That shows the buy momentum coming in at this level. Okay, now it's already creating a picture of um price. You can see how price went up, came down to touch this structure, went up here again, then a retest, okay, at this level. Now a retest at this level, we can see that good. Okay, good. Okay, good. So you can see what I'm saying now. It's now becoming more clear to you. All right. Now you can see how price is respecting these levels. Okay. Now price has pushed up. Okay. The last 4 hours candle has closed. Now a new 4 hour candle is being created, and then you can see the movement here. All right. But from this trajectory here, we can see that price will definitely have a move to touching um price would have a move to entering into this resistance zone, okay, before any pushback can happen. And if any pushback does not happen here, there will be a consolidation. If market consolidates longer at this level, there would most likely be a breakout from this resistance zone. All right, but in a short term, this market is a buy on a short term from here to here. All right, from here to here is a buy, of which traders are looking to buy. All right, of which traders can also buy from this level. Okay, so if we now go down to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, now on the 1 hour time frame, we can see something interesting happening here. Let me um now, so we can see what is happening here now. This is like an ascending triangle. All right, this is like an ascending triangle. Okay, good. So this is like an ascending triangle. We can see it. All right. So what happens on an ascending triangle when price breaks out of this level, it pushes up. All right. So there are two things you want to do here. You want to set your buy order at this level. You want to set your buy order at this level so that when a breakout occurs, it buys and you are actively in a good position. All right. So the higher probability trading strategy here is to set a buy order. All right, at this level. So when market push up and buys, all right, then you will be in profit. Okay. However, you have to implement proper risk management. Okay, where you can decide to either put your stop loss level here if your target level um if your target level would be, say, up to this level, you can put your stop loss level inside the line here. All right, good. So imagine you have what's this? Okay, good. Yeah, you put your buy order here. All right, and then good. So this can just be your target market. All right. So with your buy order at this level, your target profit here, your stop loss here. All right, and this would equally, you know, put you in a good position of, you um, having to risk lesser, than you want to make. All right, so you have a chance of, maximizing your profit and minimizing your loss. All right, so that's all on Euro USD. If you have any question, please ask in the comment section. I'm looking forward to your question. If you have any question, please ask in the comment section. If you have any question, please ask in the comment section. Okay. So yeah, so that's all on our analysis on Euro USD. So yeah, let's go down to someone said I should analyze gold. Gold. Okay. We want to can we analyze gold? Let me gold. Okay, who is ready? Who is ready? Who is ready? Who is ready? Someone said, please, about a sell order, where is the best position to place it? Okay, let me. Okay, let's go to. So you can place a sell order here. Okay. So what I said was, from here you can decide to place a buy order up above this level. So if the price crosses this level, then your buy position is activated. All right. So that then price can, once price move up, then your take profit should be at this level here. Okay. You can see it. Maybe you just watch the webinar again to get the numbers. So here we say TP should be at 1.10916. Your stop loss should be at your stop loss should be at 1.01847 0.09847. Yeah. So between 0.09847 and 0.09775, you can just put your stop loss level anywhere around there. All right. So back to gold. All right. Let's go down to the monthly time frame. Okay. Let's get to understand what the current market structure for gold has been. You know, and yeah, for gold, we can see that gold has a very interesting market structure. We are mapping out levels of support and resistance here. Another level of support and resistance. Okay, another level of support and resistance. Another level of support and resistance. Okay, so. Uh, Okay, so we can see how gold has now broken out of its resistance zone, the key resistance zone. Gold has broken out of the key resistance zone at 199. That's like 2000. All right, you know, gold has broken out of the key resistance zone. And we can see now it went as high as 2135, and now it's trading at currently at 2041. Okay, so let's do now. We've gone down to the weekly time frame. Okay, yeah, here's the weekly time frame. Right. So on the weekly time frame, we can equally see uh, yeah, on the weekly time frame, we can equally see, you know, the key levels of supports, the key levels of resistance here. Okay, cool, 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 cool. All right, hope you're following. Okay, so let's go down to the daily time frame. The daily time frame. Okay, so let's see what we've got here on the daily time frame. Um, Right. So we already see that gold where has broken out of the resistance zone. Because when we zoom it here, we can see this is the breakout candle. All right, and also there is a key resistance zone outside the previous resistance zone. All right, at this level. So let's go down to the daily time frame. So what we can see here on the daily time frame is we can see how prices has been, you know, consolidating on this zone. All right, price has been consolidating on this zone. So which means what we might expect to see uh, around here is so okay. Okay, so we can see what's happening here now. So what we can see here, the market, creating a triangular shape here, all right, and then consolidating at this resistance zone is an indication of a continuous push up in buy momentum of gold. All right, so we will be expecting to see price break out of this zone, of this triangle on the 4 hours time frame. We expect to see price break out of this zone on the 4 hours time frame. So gold signals a buy on the 4 hours time frame. Okay, gold signals a buy on the 4 hours time frame. If it breaks out of this triangle, that's a buy signal. All right, that's a buy signal. You know, that's a buy signal. Let's look at it on the 1 hour time frame. So good. So you can equally see how price has been consolidating and touching the resistance zone. So the more price keeps touching the resistance zone, the weaker this resistance zone becomes, and then creating a potential upside for gold. All right, creating a potential upside for gold. So that is what we would see in the coming. Yeah. So room for questions. Any question you have, you can just feel free to ask while I give you a quick. We go over your question and then you get clarity on it. Any question? Any question? If you have any question, please use the comment section and ask your question. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. If you have any question, just do well to ask your question. If you have any question, do well to ask your question. Very important. Okay, so here now we've said that the gold market is signaling a buy. All right, so you want to set a buy order, at this level. So let's see what we can. Okay, quick projection from here to here, and then we can have a quick stop loss at this level. Good. All right. So yeah, thank you very much for coming down to join us on this webinar. For those who are joining us for the first time, thank you very much. We host webinars like this often, so you can always do yourself a favor by clicking on the bell signature on the subscription button, and tap on the bell symbol to get constant reminder on um, on our next webinar. It's so great to always have you here, and Octa FX is committed to helping you become a better and profitable trader. So stick with us, and thank you very much for joining Octa on this webinar. Thank you so much, guys. See you in our next webinar. Bye.